Hello! Good evening po sa ating lahat. Happy birthday sa ating pinakamamahal na pastor and happy Appreciation Day. On behalf of my family, we really appreciate your service and your efforts and even your love to each every one of us and even to the ministry that you have entrusted to us. So, Mommy, be strong in the Lord, and even si Daddy, be strong and be of good courage. Even though I'm going to leave tomorrow, we are always here for you and we're not going to forget you. All the way we are one in spirit. So, thank you for raising up, raising up to be a good example and to, how I'm going to say, to lead us on the right path, to fear the Lord and to serve the Lord faithfully. And this is your fruits. Amen. And even all those men's fellowship and women's fellowship. And thank you for molding me for who I am today. And I'm not going to forget you for being my motivator and my encouragement behind those trials that we have been through. And thank you, and I'm not going to be like this. And thank you for being a victorious, for being a good example for these young people, because that is my prayer, that even to my love life, I'm going to be a good example to all these young people. And because of your prayers and Mommy, we have been successfully being a good example. And not only, this is not the end, but we are praying that our marriage were going to be a good example also to all those adults and even to those couples. So, happy birthday, Mommy, Daddy, and happy Pastor's Appreciation Day. I'm not going to forget you, even we are so far away. Amen? So, thank you po sa lahat po ng mga kapamilya. Nawa, maski wala po ang ate ko dito and even ako, alam ko, hindi po ako nababother. I'm at peace dahil nandyan po kayo na alam ko, aalagaan niyo po si Pastor at saka si Pastora. Amen? Pag nakita niyo po, sabi niya, okay lang, hindi po yun okay, hindi po totoo yun. Kaya, kindly check him every day. Most especially po, sila po ay tumatanda na kailangan po nila ng suporta nyo. So, 73 years old na po si Pastor at saka si Pastora ay 72 years old. So, kailangan po nila ng kalinga at alaga nyo. Pag kayo po ay blessed ng Lord, pwede nyo po silang dalhin sa Jollibee, sa McDo, or di kaya sa mga restaurant. Or pag kayo ay blessed ng Lord, magdala po kayo ng mga gulay. Yun po ang gusto nila. And most especially yung isda. Amen? Amen po ba? Amen. So, to God be the glory. Can we have a picture together?